Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to show you the colors that I'll be working with today for today's painting, which will be a bloom painting. These are custom mixed colors, so it would be a bit much for me to get into all of the colors during this video, so I'm just giving you guys a bird's eye view of the colors. Next up is the painting from last video. This did dry nicely, except for I did get a bug in the lower left hand corner of this painting. Our door is open often. During the summertime, we have two dogs, so it happens. But I was not pleased with the left side, the darker side of this split base Dutch pour, because it ate up most of my color. But it was a creative inspiration, Payne's Gray. It just goes to show that all colors are not created equal when you're dealing with different brands, but it's nice. I may think about doing something else with it. So for today, I am doing a bloom painting. I think I mentioned that. And when I started, I wasn't sure as far as what I was going to do as far as composition, because I'm used to doing blooms on either a square canvas or a circular canvas. But since this is a rectangular canvas, I was looking at the color of the base coat, which is a shade of white called Reflection. So I thought I would take that, do a play off of Reflection. So what I did was I laid down two puddles opposite of each other, two puddles of color, and I used my larger blow dryer with no nozzle on low to blow out one side, and I used the mini blow dryer with a nozzle to blow out the other side in opposite directions, kind of creating a reflection. So I'm going to put on some music for you guys. Thanks for stopping by to spend a little time with me today. I appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy this painting. I will chime back in at the end for the final results. Please enjoy. right, guys, I'm back. So we are getting ready to wrap this one up. As you can see, I did not get any sales whatsoever in this painting, and I can tell you exactly the reason why. The cell activator that I used was also a custom mix, and I probably mixed a bit too much, and it just didn't work out. So I really do love the colors. It's a beautiful, soft contrast. And I'm thinking about using these colors again and actually adding another color, just one more color, a hard contrast, and mixing up a cell activator that will actually work because the colors are really beautiful to me. And the painting is gorgeous. It does kind of resemble a reflection. And yeah, I love it. So thanks so much for watching. And if you hadn't already, I would really appreciate it if you would take a minute out to like the video. And also consider subscribing. It will help my little channel grow. So thanks so much for joining me today. I appreciate you guys so much. And I hope you have a very beautiful day.